Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with a new video, and in today's video we are back with a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. And let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel. If you are new on this channel, that you are highly welcomed. So the app we are going to share with you today, it's on Google Play Store. Simply open your Google Play Store, where you can search and install Android apps, and in the search bar you search for Diamond VPN. So you search for that, Diamond VPN, and among the presented, please you pick this one, Diamond VPN. Install this app on your device. After installing this app, before using the app, make sure to read its terms and conditions and make sure that you follow them, don't violate them. And make sure to follow your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country, and make sure to adhere with them. Also make sure to follow and read your country ISP laws about VPN usage in your country, and make sure to follow them. So to set up this app, make sure to open it, and when you open it, it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So if you are new on the channel, kindly subscribe on this channel so that you don't miss any of our future coming content. And when you reach in the app home screen, you're required to update the app resources. So you tap on this update button, and when you tap on update, it will start to update to the latest version, and it will be able to provide you with the least configured settings. And after that, you are required to pick a server. So for today's video, we have chosen a UDP server. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are using the internet. And after picking a server of your choice, so UDP is fast and secure, so you can use a UDP server. So the next thing you have to do here is to pick a speed you need. So for example, today we have chosen this speed, the UDP speed. So you'll be able to choose, so you can pick a speed. This app gives you an option whereby you are able to pick the internet speed which will work for you. But for today's video, we have chosen the provided UDP speed in this app. This option will help us to achieve a fast and a stable connection, and also to get extra protection when we are online. After that, you're required to add on time. Simply tap on this add time button. When you tap here, this app will start to add on its connection time. As you can see, it is running out of time. So to add on time when you are securing your connection using this app, Diamond VPN, please make sure to utilize this add time button, and by doing so, this app will add on the connection time so it won't run out of time. So the least setting is you are required to initiate a connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, the app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up Diamond VPN with UDP settings to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online.